Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this. As you can see, it's nice and breezy and only 33, but feels like 35, 36. But good, we have this tree here. It is irritant when all the fruits fall over. It's hard for my mom to clean, but she does a lot of gardening anyway. All the work by my mother, like shade. Good for us, right? Getting ready to clean these two bikes. The small one, haven't come up with a name yet, but the bike feels more like hot and cold. Remember that Katy Perry song? Anyway, still haven't fixed a name. If you have any suggestions, let me know. It has to be cool. And the beast is here, as you saw in the last video. In case you're new to this channel, go check out the previous videos because you're gonna miss out on a lot of interesting stuff. If you like the content, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share button. I have a milestone of hitting 100,000 subscribers by mid of August, so hope it works out. In the previous video, a lot of you talked about that the handlebar was bent. As you can see here, the handlebar is fine. It's just the GoPro angle made it like that. The people at the showroom checked it, they said it's fine, but with my OCD I have to still make sure it's not bent. So one easy way is to see where the wheel line and the headstock line is. So most probably it's just that the GoPro camera angle made it feel like it was bent, but it's not. So that's the machine that I use to clean these bikes. It works well. I've shared the link in the description along with other accessories that I use. It's getting hotter and hotter. Just finished the wash. It was a basic wash, didn't go into extensive detail, so don't mind if it's slightly dirty. So the cover that was there on the 850 was torn, so waiting for the replacement. That didn't arrive yet, but for this one I got a smaller one, so we'll fit this on the cover. It's just that every time I go out for a ride in the evening or so, when it's cool to do so, it is occasionally raining and it's getting dirty, which is something that I don't like. This is slightly easier to clean than the shiny black. You can see some scratches here, but this is almost 2019, so 2-year-old bike. But even for a 2-year-old bike, it's in excellent condition. Chalo, today is Sunday, not much to do. We'll have some lunch and then watch Formula 1 race in the evening, and also United versus Liverpool, the big game. So it's going to be an exciting weekend. Let's hope, and maybe in the evening I'll take the Scrambler 1100 out for a short spin. Covered almost 200 kilometers. Still long way to go for the first service, but we'll be done soon. Even though I wasn't getting bored at home, just wanted to take this bike out. It looks nice and clean, right? And kind of not perfect weather, but decent weather to take it out. And I'm doing this jugaad because I want to make sure you guys hear the exhaust note as close to what I hear. So just taped a external mic and a recorder, so this will record parallelly with the camera. Chalo, let's get going. Kind of tight space that I was talking about in the last video. Imagine if there was like a rocket or something here. Would have been tricky, but still manageable. And this is something that I'm used to before with the Street Twin. This is recording. We'll just give it a minute, 6:34, maybe a minute or two for it to warm up. This gets hot on its own anyway, so, but still we need to do some procedures. Just trying to see if this would hold on. Audio levels are decently high enough, so I think you'll get a good idea of the audio. Chalo, been 2 minutes. Let's go. Got used to ADVs, so I was climbing like that. Oh, by the way, these are the new Apple AirTags. Got the keychain, but not the tags yet because those are engraved. Will take time. Some of you might be curious how much mileage this gives. That typical kitna deti hai question. The mileage is around 18-19 kilometers per liter. Not so much because there's a 1100cc engine, high capacity motorcycle, right? So my 850 is more efficient and more powerful, but heavier too. Exact power to weight ratios is something that I'm not entirely sure about, but that's okay. Let's make sure the recorder doesn't fly. So the current odometer on this motorcycle is 196. Quite good, right? But you must be bored seeing the same routes. I just wanted a nice pleasant route where I can enjoy the ride. Usually after every wash I turn on the bike, go for a short spin, make sure everything is dry. But today it was so hot I didn't bother because everything got Even the clothes that I used to clean this bike got dried up in like 10-15 minutes max. I think to get the best exhaust note on this bike, you need to have the Termigioni slip-on exhaust and also a link pipe which removes the decat. But that's not legal, so not sure I'll do it. But super fun in the city because this feels light and has amazing braking gear. Amazing braking for this kind of power and weight. The brakes are amazing. And by the time you see this, we have another delivery done. It's Chaitanya's R90. Finally that has been delivered too. He is not reachable on phone because he is enjoying the bike. Love that pop, man. It's something that I can't replicate. Sweet. We have been doing one single stretch quite a lot now. We'll try to do a different route. We'll go the Gachibowli way. See that? Again, it's like around third, fourth gear when you are doing lesser speed than ideally, where it doesn't knock yet, and when you decelerate, that's when it pops. This curve except for this car. Loving it, man. Loving these nice evening solo rides. And the heat problem is not a major issue because there's, as you see, there's hardly any traffic. And when there is no traffic, as I said before, this is one of the coolest bikes that I have ridden. Not just the way they look, but also the way they feel, the engine and all. Only during traffic, bumper to bumper traffic where you have to go, that's when it gets hot. And if you're wearing jeans and all, it's manageable. It's hot. You will know it's hot, but it's manageable. See, I'm in like third gear, 60, and that's when it popped again. Hope most of you are taking care of yourself and your family and maintaining all the COVID protocols about social distancing, masks and sanitizing your hands, because things are pretty bad out there. Whenever I'm going out, I'm just going for these solo bike rides and coming back. Maybe we will even start those morning breakfast rides. You remember those early lockdown breakfast rides that we did, where we just went out, got our own breakfast meals, make sure we are not stopping in any confined spaces. Like, things are getting bad here. Just take care of yourself, okay? This is the reason I purchased this bike, to enjoy these nice city rides or late night rides. Unfortunately, due to curfew timings, I can't take it out later in the night, but even now the traffic is less and I enjoy this in the cities like so much. This is so good for city, man. Like, there's no particular purpose to this bike. It's just that this is more comfortable in the city because it can maneuver traffic easily, light traffic. And in that regard, don't think of it like a city commuter bike. Think of it like a bike you want to have in your collection, you want to enjoy mostly in the city, maybe occasionally on the highways. Mind you, this is a very capable tourer, but there's much more fun in the city. Chalo, I think I'll stop the voice recorder now. You guys should tell me how it is. Last few minutes I had voice recorder on. That adds or amplifies the audio that you get. You get that real feel of how you are on the bike, because the sound that you hear in GoPro is much lesser than what I hear in person. So wanted to get you close to that. And this is too early to judge the sound too. It's just 200 kilometers. You need the carbon to build up. Like on my 850 it took almost 10,000 kilometers. This might happen soon, depends on how much you travel on this. Like, I changed the exhaust note on the street very early on, and that's when the sound actually improved. Otherwise, street wind also sounded much more muted and diluted than this bike. Anyway, it's almost 7 o'clock. I'll ride till BHL, head back home to Kugatpally, enjoy some Formula 1 today, and then the football match between United and Liverpool. Let's see how much is the efficiency on this. Last time I filled 9 liters, 9.99, so almost 10 liters here. 178, 177 by 9.88. That's almost 18 kmpl. I've used a combination of all three modes. The ideal way is to actually top it up fully, use it, and then again top it up fully. Fashion అయిపోయింది. So anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and in case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night and take care, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.